Hey scientists, I'm going to make a little video here for you guys of how to take a photo and then paste it in your OneNote. So here we go. I'm going to pretend that I need to take a picture of my design to put right here in OneNote. I'm going to click the Windows button and open the camera app. And here's my camera, pretending that this is a design that I did. It's a picture my daughter drew. And then I'm going to close this because I do not need it anymore. And I'm going to head to my file explorer down at the bottom here. So I'm going to open that up. I'm going to find on the left under this PC the pictures folder. And then I'm going to, from the pictures folder, go to the camera roll. And files are set up in the camera roll by date. So we have 2020 here, the year, then 0307, that's the date, March 17th, and the time, it says 1632, that is military time for 4:32 p.m. So I'm going to open this up, or 4:31, sorry, it says 1631, and there is my lovely photo. I can put it into my OneNote one of two ways. The first way, I can just right click on it, copy it, go to my OneNote, and get rid of this thing, because I don't need it to say this paste sketch here. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to right click, paste it. I'm going to use the first little picture underneath the word paste. That's the first way. Okay. But my preferred way, personally, I prefer to snip it. So I'm going to go back to the picture and I'm going to snip it. The reason I like to snip it is because then I can get rid of my face over here and my hand over here. So I can just get the part that I want. And then I'm going to, it actually automatically copies when this box opens up with the picture, but I'm going to click copy anyway, because I'm a little paranoid. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to right click and I'm going to, again, pick the first picture under paste and put it right there. Now that's way too big. So I want to size it down. I'm going to delete this one so that it fits underneath my decision matrix here. It's still looking like I've messed up the text a little bit. So I'm going to kind of try to get rid of some of these. Maybe I can even get rid of some of these spaces here, but I could probably move this over to the side as well, but I'm just going to show you about the pictures and you can play with the formatting later. All right. If you have any questions, please send me a message on the homework thread. There's also instructions to do the same thing in writing. If you go here to the technology help folder, how to take a photo and upload it into OneNote. This is written out instructions. All right. All right. Good to talk to you guys again. Talk to you soon.